If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue with Vodafone, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check network connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause transfer issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your network settings and clear any pending processes. Step 3. Update the Vodafone app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Vodafone app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An outdated app may cause functionality issues. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve issues related to stored data. Go to your device's settings, find the Vodafone app, and select the option to clear cache. After doing this, reopen the app and check if the transfer is still pending. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the transfer pending issue on Vodafone quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.